Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Etsy sales events in 2026. Did you know Etsy runs global sales events that can boost your traffic? And here's how to join them just by following some few simple steps. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to start your shop on the Etsy platform. Whether you're using your mobile device or your computer, you're gonna go to the web browser and then type in Etsy. Alternatively, on the mobile device, you're just gonna can download the mobile app via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, just by looking for the Etsy app. Once you download this or access the website, you're going to make sure to sign in with your account by clicking on sign in, and then we're going to click on your profile icon, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the become a seller option. Now from these options, you're going to click on the become a seller, then you're going to click on the shop manager, and you're going to be redirected to this page where you're going to fill in information about your shop preferences, your shop's name, your payment methods, your billing infos, your shop security, etc. Once you finish setting up all these informations, you're going to start and you have a shop on Etsy.com. Now, to join the Etsy sales events, you're going to open the shop managers by clicking on the shop manager icon. Then you're going to check the sales events. You're going to go to the marketing. We're going to go to the marketing, and then you're going to select sales and discounts. Now, once you do that, if Etsy is running a major event, you'll see a banner invitation at the top. Now, you're going to click participate by clicking the event invitation to view the requirements. Then you're going to set your discounts. You're going to choose required minimum discounts percentage. And after you set that up, you're going to select the listings, or you're going to select your discount. You're going to choose that and select the listings. After that, you're going to apply the sale to all or selected items. Now here you can select also end sale early at the bottom of the page to end the sale. And after that, you can confirm the participation. You can review, then activate. And your products will now be included in the event sale. Now, Etsy-wide events can dramatically increase visibility, especially during holidays. And that's it. That's how you join Etsy sales events and take advantage of extra traffic. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.